Blackheads are essentially clogged pores filled with oxidized oil and dead skin cells. While professional treatment by a dermatologist or esthetician is always the safest route, you can manage them at home if you follow strict hygiene and safety protocols. Warning: improper extraction techniques can backfire, pushing debris deeper into the pore, causing severe inflammation, spreading bacteria, or leaving permanent scarring. How to perform safe home extractions. If you choose to proceed at home, follow these steps to protect your skin. Soften the skin. Take a warm shower or apply a warm, damp washcloth to the area for 5 to 10 minutes to open your pores. Prioritize hygiene. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap. If using a comedone extractor tool, disinfect it with rubbing alcohol. Protect your fingertips. Cover your fingertips with clean tissue or sterile gauze to prevent damage caused by fingernail pressure. Apply gentle, even pressure. Press evenly around the perimeter of the blackhead, gently wiggling the plug upward. Know when to stop. If the blemish does not release easily, stop immediately. Forcing it will only cause bruising and tissue trauma. Disinfect the area. After finishing, apply a gentle toner or a salicylic acid treatment to kill residual bacteria. Long-term prevention strategies. Extraction only addresses the symptom, not the cause. To keep blackheads from returning, you must incorporate active ingredients into your daily skincare routine. Salicylic acid, BHA. Use a daily leave-on BHA treatment. It is oil-soluble and excels at dissolving sebum deep inside the pore. Alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, incorporate glycolic or lactic acid to accelerate surface cell turnover and prevent clogging. Topical retinoids. Nightly use of retinol or prescription retinoids keeps skin cells shedding properly, preventing debris buildup. Weekly deep cleansing. Use a clay or charcoal mask once a week to absorb excess oils from your T-zone. The appeal of extraction content. It is common to find extraction videos, like the popular Derm Doctor TikToks or deep pore cleanses on YouTube, strangely satisfying. While these videos offer a window into skincare, remember that real-life results require consistent routine care, not just occasional manual extraction. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. For skin concerns, please consult a dermatologist. To help me provide more tailored advice, what part of your body are you looking to treat, and what products are currently in your skincare routine?